The Precision Hinge GN7580 is a specially manufactured hinge developed for precise movements that can be accurately repeated. It is frequently also used as an articulated joint. The Precision Hinge has very low radial play and adjustable axial play. High-quality materials such as high-strength alloyed aluminum and bronze minimize wear, guaranteeing a long lifespan even under frequent use. Certain applications, such as in jig construction, automation systems, or testing systems, require moving elements supported by extremely precise bearings. The GN7580 family consists of 3 size variants, each with 4 inner and outer leaf types. The leaves differ in the way they are mounted. Mounting can be either tangential or radial and make use of either countersunk cylindrical bores or integrated threaded bushings of stainless steel. A variety of installation situations can be covered by combining the various inner and outer leaves. Precise positioning can be achieved with dowel pins in the fit bores of the screw-on surfaces. Maximum repeatability, zero play, long lifespan, and adjustability. These are exactly the properties offered by Precision Hinges GN7580.